Good morning everyone and welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and in today's video we are going to talk about the possibilities of trading in the current market context. If you followed yesterday's video, you saw that I'm pretty bearish on the targets right now. I still don't think that the market has correctly retraced, and I think that we have some good entries to the upside on lower targets like 30k and possibly 20k, and we might also have some short possibilities. So let's go to the chart directly, starting with the current market context today, Friday, before the weekend, so before a potential drop. As you can see, the price is barely hugging the descending trend line that we have right here. Also a confluence point with the 0.5 Fibonacci level that I have traced. Market is kind of weak. We might also interpret this move if we leave, like if we go above the trend line with small candles, we can potentially have a sideways move like so. For a longer term, like let's say until Monday or Tuesday, we can have some sideways action if we don't break in either direction. However, I think that this is not the case for now. I really think that the price will revert and will continue down, something like this, or even let's say it will try to break with the wick and then come back down violently. That's why we have some potential trades that we can set up, and those are, so let's talk about the cases, the things that might happen right now. So one would be price break to the upside. So to the upside we will be limited by the 0.618 right here. Let's mark it. And of course the ascending neckline that we had from the previous formation. In my opinion, this possibility is really low, and even if it happens, the trade isn't great, because that's if we plot a trade right here. Let's say we will target the neckline, our first take profit will be so close and our stop loss would be pretty far. So the risk reward ratio between the entry and the first take profit isn't, in my opinion, the best trade. Extremely risky for not a lot of reward. So I wouldn't do it, but some of you might if you are bullish. However, I would tend to prioritize shorts in this formation right here. So a possibility would be to open a short position. I would do it something like that, okay, with the stop loss. Well, the stop loss like so, and I would of course target the 30.5k level on a short. This is a possibility. In terms of risk, this is way riskier than what I will propose after. Okay, so you can basically gain in both directions if the price goes to this level or even to this level right here. So first we have a short possibility right here. The stop loss should be more or less something like this. Well, if we take the wicks into account, we need to increase it. Increasing it like 9% would really limit you in terms of leverage and in terms of trade amount also. So the stop loss somewhere around here would be logical, just outside the confirmed channel, current channel right here. So first, potential short. I will delete these two for now. Second one, Let's say we reach 30k. Let's say you took profit on this one. Congratulations. Moving on. I would close it right here, by the way, this short. I would close it and move on. So right here we have also two possibilities. If we get to this level, it will be tested. So it was tested once, it would be tested the second time. If it fails, and I think that if the price goes below this level, it will gain the momentum to break the 30k also. It can possibly gain the momentum to break the 30k level also. So I here would have an entry for my portfolio long. So my portfolio long doesn't have a stop loss because it's a portfolio on spot. That's why I will add to my existing portfolio. I don't care about the stop loss. I don't care if the price goes even back to 20k. I'm just adding a portion of my stable coins in BTC in this example. The same analysis can apply to Ethereum and other coins, of course. So 30k would be a portfolio entry for me. And let's say that we, as I said, we gain the momentum, we break the 30k, and we also have the possibility to go below. So below, as we see, below the 30k, we have the 0.23 Fibonacci level, which can hold for a while. However, I think that if we touch it, if we just touch it, we will possibly go down to 20k. So in this case, we have another two possibilities. So one would be a short with a pretty tight stop loss and a target of 20k, more or less. Of course, don't use round numbers, guys. Just 20.4 should do it. It's not $600 that would make your fortune in this case. Okay, so another short, and then of course, as I said yesterday also, here the biggest entry you can get on Bitcoin, on other coins. This is extremely important. So for potential trades, because I am bear biased today, the weekend coming on, we have an expiry coming for options in the US also. Well, just knowing that we have an expiry coming, you should be extremely careful and wait a bit. Don't throw yourself into the market right now. After the futures and options expiries, the market is a bit hectic and the volatility is high. However, I think it should keep its initial direction right now, which is in my opinion bearish. So I just wanted to make this video to present you with these options. So basically two spot entries for long term and two shorts on short term and short term possibilities. So basically I split a single short into two, because we don't have, if we break down here, we don't have the certainty that the price will continue down. The possibility is there, but we don't have the certainty. So in order to secure part of our position, we just split our trade in two, and we basically just lose the difference from our last take profit to our next entry. So we lose like 4% or 5% difference, the delta that we can allow us to basically watch the market a bit and see how it reacts. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching, guys. As usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me in private chat or on the VIP chat. Thank you and have an excellent day.